You gotta watch, because you don't want this drill spinning and your hand being around that. That'll tear your skin right off. That's why I never clean copper pipe with one of these on a drill, so you don't, tear your skin off. So it's not the way that works. Always use your handle.